Today I'm with Abandoned Playground and Exploring Beyond Limits, and we're going to check out an abandoned children's hospital. I'm not too sure if it's a psych ward or just a medical clinic, but there's a ton of stuff left behind, so let's go. We'll find it. We're coming the same way. Yo, mad wasps. What? A baby crib? Yo, I found the hydrotherapy. It's pitch black in here, but I see what looks like a giant tub. Yeah, bro. And look over here too. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, there's a little one. Jesus Christ, this is fucking sick. The size of this thing.
Ooh, yo, something smells. Yeah. This door is about to fucking collapse. Shit's fucking loud. Yo, look. The ceiling panels fell out and they're growing plants. Well, that's elevators, so there's gotta be stairs right over here.
Is there anything in the bag?
Screen was used for sterilization purposes.
I gotta get cinematics in here. It's back there.
Holy shit.
Look at that. That's not funny. Oh,
There's a Ouija board on
baby. Where's your Ouija board?
the wall.
Oh, what the fuck?
Damn, yo, I wish I brought my tripod.
I gotta get a ton of shots in here.
Yeah, I'm not even nuts in here.
Yeah, facts.
This is like the main thing I wanted to find right here.
We found the autopsy room.
Last door on the right. Animals and shit.
Children's ward. Yeah, look at that.
Yo, my bad, I curse like a sailor.
Oh, without a doubt. It's gotta be. Oh shit, look at this. Oh, I don't know. This is like more hydrotherapy, I think. Oh yeah, look, this is creepy. There's a little like, oh wow, look at that. That's fun. This is crazy.
Yo, check this out.
Ooh, look at the curtains.
The curtains are still standing here. I gotta try this.
Painting.
Oh yeah, look at that.
This was a girl's room, and look, dresses and everything, a closet for dresses.
Still in there.
This is where the hospital bed was, right here, and this was her life.
Yeah.
Yo, there's another upstairs. Yo, this is fucking crazy, bro. There's like hawks and like birds of prey on the roof.
What?
Yo, I just saw like, I don't know what kind of bird it was. It was like a hawk or an eagle of some sort, just flying around on the roof. Oh look, there's a ladder and shit. I wanna finish this side and then get back over there. Cause this all looks like the same shit that we've seen already.
Yeah, it's just repeating itself. There's a fucking bed out here. Yeah, but it's like, what the fuck? Why is there a bed out here? Yeah, I see one bed. Bitch in this building. It keeps cutting off.
Yo.
Wow, look at this. Look at the size of this thing. Wow, this is beautiful. Untouched, basically. A clean. Then you come in here. Oh, there's a fan over here too. You should have set it up.
The fuck is this shit?
Yeah. It's actually taken. Yeah, let me get my shots.